Welcome to the post-apocalyptic Da Nang, Vietnam. This is rainy season and this is 2 weeks after the typhoon. And I want to show you today in this video the current situation in Da Nang at the beach. It's raining, it's cold. Oh my gosh, and there is so much trash and garbage at the beach. It's crazy. I don't know how they're gonna clean it and if this ever gonna recover. What I want to show you in this channel is not all like beautiful beach, blue sky. I also want to show you the truth. Hello! Hello guys, in this video I'm taking you to the beach for the walk. This is my little fella. I'm going to the beach to show you the Da Nang beach, which is post-typhoon and post-flood. I have like only 7 minutes walking to the beach from my apartment. I live very close to this resort. So even during the rainy season, I still find this place charming and adorable. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Would you live here in the rainy season in Vietnam? I see the sea is quite rough. Let's go closer. The sea, it's so close right now to the coast that there is not much beach. This is exactly the same beach I was recording my content 1 month ago, mid of October, and it was still beautiful. You could see Lady Buddha over there in the mountains. It was blue sky and the beach, it was very, very long, very wide, I would say. You barely see the buildings, the main hotels in Da Nang. This is the situation as of 16th of November, which is only 2 weeks after the big typhoon and flood hit it. Basically, Da Nang was flooded. Some parts of Da Nang were flooded. Also, Hue and Hoi An, that are very close to Da Nang, were under the water completely. So all this trash you can see here at the beach, it's pulled from the nearby rivers, fishing boats, everywhere from the sea. Right now, it's a bit raining. It's very cold, it's like 26 degrees, but the wind from the sea makes it so cold that I don't want to be here. But I just came here to show you how tragic it is. Like, you know, all the trash from the sea comes to the beach and stays here. It's really sad to see it. And I wanted to show you this because I want to share with you the truth, the honest, you know. Look at this. You'll find so many shoes, plastic, bottles, everything. All the garbage. What's the worst? I also saw it was a dead rat laying on the beach. Just crazy, you know? So much garbage, so much plastic. This is literally the beach that is the closest beach to my home. But I can see how much damage can be done in rainy season. I hope that this will recover the beach, the ocean, and then eventually we'll be able to swim again. Did you know that each typhoon can remove a surprising amount of sun, and it takes sometimes months to recover. Wow, this is really interesting. And just to give you some overview, typhoons often dump a lot of debris, wood, seaweed and trash onto the beach, and sound levels can change dramatically after each strong storm. Sometimes the beach becomes steeper or flatter, and in this case the beach became very short. It used to be super wide. The weather is crazy. The sea is crazy. I wish I'm at home right now under the blanket, chilling with a hot cup of tea. But no, I decided to come to the beach and record a video for you just to show you the reality check of how does it look, Da Nang and Vietnam after typhoon during the rainy season, and what can you find at the beach. Basically anything. The mostly I see shoes, plastic, or I even found right now Hoka shoes for running if someone is interested. Walking at the trash, look how many bottles are here. There's literally everything pulled out from the sea. All this trash is like a garbage dump at the beach. Something that other people won't show you on their YouTube channel, just to tell you that they are living in paradise. No, it's not paradise. It's also rats, cockroaches, trash, rainy season, wind. The sea is rough. I don't know if I can even cross it there. Let's try. And here we can see some damage that the flood and the typhoon did on this beach here. So the sand level was before like this one, and those palm trees were covered with the sand. Let's go closer. The beach used to be on that level, and right now there is like a cliff around my height, so 1.68 meters. This is crazy. Every time I travel abroad, I always have the same problem: internet. How can you travel abroad without internet? How to book a taxi? So what I do, I have this application that's called Saily, and it's eSIM on my phone. I basically install it, this application on my phone before traveling, and I choose the package I want and I buy it and I activate it before landing. Once I'm here in Vietnam, I already have internet on my phone. And if you will use my promo code Nomadic Claudia, you get a special discount, which is 15% off for your purchase. So yeah, go check it out. I really recommend it. I'm using it by myself since few years, and it's very legit and very good eSIM and works worldwide. So yeah, back to the video. I really want to check the temperature of the water. Let's go and check it out. Oh wow, the sea actually came right here. Okay, it's a bit cold, I must say. Look at the waves there. The sea is usually very, very calm, little waves and very pleasant. And today it's super rough. Look, it's coming to me. Oh no. Oh no, I don't like it. I don't like it. And I don't recommend you to come here during the rainy season. And I will tell you some facts about typhoon season in central Vietnam. So basically central Vietnam, like Da Nang, Hue, Hoi An, usually gets its more intense storms between September and November. So basically now we have mid-November, so as you can see the situation. And the East Sea, South China Sea, forms around 10 to 12 tropical storms each year. This year we already had 13, and a few hit Vietnam. Da Nang is often impacted because storms tend to curve westward towards central Vietnam. So guys, this is the rainy season in Vietnam. Consider not coming here in November if you don't want to meet such temperature. I didn't know it's gonna be like this, otherwise I would not sign up the contract for 6 months and I would be probably right now in Thailand, which is probably the much better weather. So at least I know for the next year to not be here during November, because it's honestly a mess. You will see a lot of dead fishes at the beach, plastic bottles, trash, so much trash and garbage at the beach. Oh my goodness, it's really super sad view. So if you think that locals care about the rainy season and it stops them from swimming, you are so wrong. Look at this guy over there. It's basically a local guy swimming right now in the ocean, in the sea. He doesn't mind that the water is a bit colder, that the waves are crazy. He's just in the water enjoying himself. And I'm right now here freezing at the beach, walking, surrounded by all this trash and damage that typhoon and storm and flood caused. My gosh, so much trash. I will show you even more closer. This is Da Nang right now. It looks horrifying. All this trash in the beautiful beach in Da Nang. How comes? It shows me how dirty is our planet, you know? How much trash you can see in the sea, in the oceans. And there is coming, and it comes rainy season, typhoon, floods. The sea comes closer to the beach and brings all this trash here, right to the beach. But it's crazy, there's even like a furnitures right now at the beach. Shoes and a lot of trash. Crazy amount of trash. Hello Kitty came here, okay. Wow. This is pretty crazy. Oh, I found a helmet if someone needs. Wow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. It was a bit different video than my other videos. I wanted to show you an overview of how does it look during the rainy season, after typhoon, after flood, Da Nang. And you can see it's not always so beautiful, it's not always sweets and sugar. If you come here as a tourist and you only stay in the tourist area, I bet there is already clean, that they clean the beach there. But if you go 10 minutes bit further, you will see all this trash at the beach. So don't be blind when people show you that Da Nang, Vietnam, is all beautiful all the time of the year. It is beautiful, Da Nang, but it can be also like this. This is quite sad, the view, and I wanted to share it with you because why not? I hope you appreciate it. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, so I will show you more of this dramatic Vietnam, but also good stuff. I have a lot of good stuff on my channel because most of the time Vietnam is pretty and adorable. Of course, no place is perfect. I can't judge. I'm not judging, I'm just showing. I'm showing the truth. And if you're interested in more videos about Vietnam, you can watch my other videos over here about pros and cons of living in Vietnam and cost of living in Vietnam, my recent video I just uploaded. And thank you for watching my post-apocalyptic Da Nang video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!